Today, we're taking you on a deep dive into engine technology, naturally aspirated, turbocharged, or supercharged. Which one should you actually choose, and how do they work? Let's settle this debate once and for all. Think of an engine like the human body. It needs to breathe to burn fuel. A naturally aspirated engine is like normal, calm breathing. It just draws in air using standard atmospheric pressure. A turbocharger is like taking a deep breath during a hot workout. It uses exhaust gases to spin a turbine and force feed more air into the engine. And a supercharger? That's like having a built-in air pump driven directly by the engine's crankshaft. So, what's the catch? Naturally aspirated is your reliable old friend. The tech is simple, mature, and bulletproof. Power is smooth, and maintenance is cheap and stress-free. Turbos are the efficiency kings. They boost power by 20% to 50% without making the engine bigger. A 2.0T can easily pack the punch of a 3.0L NA. But you might feel a tiny bit of turbo lag, and they run much hotter, requiring top-tier parts. Superchargers give you instant, linear power with zero lag. But because they are driven by the engine itself, they actually steal some power to make power. That's why you mostly see them on big block American muscle cars. How do you choose? If you want bulletproof reliability and low maintenance, go naturally aspirated. If you love highway cruising and effortless overtaking, go turbo. As for superchargers, well, you know what they say in the car community. Superchargers are for the absolute maniacs. No matter what engine you drive, you need the right knowledge to protect your ride. Follow Wanasign today to join the community. And let's keep that engine purring perfectly together.